Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out a game-changing security solution, the mobile solar CCTV tower. This is a fully self-sustaining surveillance system that integrates solar energy, battery storage, and backup power, perfect for off-grid security, remote monitoring, and event surveillance. And if you're looking to grab one at a limited time discount, check out the link in the description below. Let's get into it. The mobile solar CCTV tower is designed for off-grid, high-security applications. It's equipped with heavy checkmark 3 435W solar panels for continuous power, heavy checkmark 6 150Ah GL batteries for nighttime and backup energy, heavy checkmark a liquid-propelled trailer mount for portability and hybrid power backup. This makes it a highly portable, energy-efficient, and self-sustaining security solution for construction sites, disaster zones, concerts, and crime monitoring. Key features: 1. Solar-powered and energy-independent. 3 435W solar panels efficiently capture sunlight and convert it into usable electricity. Reduces reliance on external power sources, making it perfect for remote locations. 2. Eco-friendly and cost-effective. Runs on solar energy, eliminating fuel costs associated with traditional diesel generators. 0 emissions, making it an environmentally responsible security solution. 3. High-capacity battery backup. 6 150Ah GL batteries store excess solar energy for nighttime use and cloudy days. Deep cycle durability ensures long-lasting power without maintenance. 4. Hybrid backup system. Liquid-propelled backup power kicks in when battery reserves deplete due to extended bad weather. Ensures continuous surveillance, no matter the conditions. 5. Trailer mounted for maximum mobility. Easily transportable, can be deployed in minutes without extensive setup. Perfect for temporary, emergency, and long-term surveillance. 6. 24/7 HD surveillance and motion detection. Provides real-time monitoring and high-definition recording for crime hotspots, events, and disaster zones. Motion sensors detect unauthorized activity, sending instant alerts to security personnel. 7. Built for extreme environments. Weather-resistant construction ensures reliable performance in harsh conditions. Temperature-resistant batteries maintain power in extreme heat and cold. The mobile solar CCTV tower is a game-changer for security surveillance. Whether you need temporary monitoring, remote security, or event surveillance, this self-sustaining, mobile system has you covered. If you're interested, check out the link in the description for the best deals. And as always, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews and deep dives. Catch you in the next one. Peace. Victory Hand.